Today I'll show you a new method for cooking eggs that's quick, easy, and produces a much more visually appealing result. Tip 1. First, I crack 5 eggs into a large bowl. Then add a little salt to enhance the natural flavor. Next, I slowly added about 180 milliliters of fresh milk and stirred well so that the egg yolks and whites were completely mixed together. Milk helps to make eggs creamy and soft, retains moisture well, and prevents them from drying out during steaming. In the middle of the bowl, I placed a small cup to create a space in the center, like a fixed mold. Next, I slowly poured the egg mixture around the cup, so that the egg completely covered the mold in the middle. Next, I placed the entire bowl in a steamer and steamed it over medium heat until the mixture slowly solidified. Steaming helps the eggs cook evenly, resulting in a soft, smooth texture with a slight elasticity. Tip 2. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a teaspoon of salt, and stir well so that the yolks and whites are thoroughly mixed. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I prepared the tomatoes and chopped them finely. Tomatoes not only give the soup a beautiful color, but also add a natural, mild sourness, making the dish easier to eat and more refreshing. In a saucepan, I put a thin layer of butter and heated it until it melted. Next, I add the tomatoes and stir-fry them gently until they soften and start to release their juices. When heated, the tomatoes gradually create a beautiful red base of juice. Once the tomatoes were soft, I added a moderate amount of water and brought it to a simmer. At this point, I slowly poured the egg mixture in, gently stirring to create soft, smooth egg strands that blended seamlessly into the broth. Next, I took 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mixed it with a little water until dissolved, and then slowly poured it into the pot. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Cornstarch will help thicken the broth slightly, making the soup richer and smoother to eat. Finally, I added some chopped green onions to enhance the aroma and then turned off the heat. The finished product is a steaming bowl of tomato and egg soup, with a light richness from the butter, the natural sweetness and sourness of the tomatoes, and smooth, creamy strands of egg that are very easy to eat. A simple, easy-to-cook soup, perfect for days when you want a light, quick, and warming meal. Returning to the egg in the steamer, once the egg was fully cooked, I removed it and let it cool for a few minutes to allow it to stabilize. Then, I gently lifted the cup in the middle first, and then inverted the mold to release the entire egg mixture. The mild creaminess of the milk blends with the natural aroma of the eggs to create a simple yet delicious dish, perfect for breakfast, a light snack, or whenever you want something soft, easy to digest, and gentle on the stomach. Simply cut it into slices with a knife, and you'll find the inside is incredibly soft, smooth, and has a very appealing, subtle vibration. Tip 3. First, I crack 3 eggs and use a tool to separate the yolks and whites. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. I put the egg whites in a separate bowl. For the egg yolks, I added 30 milliliters of cooking oil and 45 milliliters of fresh milk, then stirred well until the mixture was thoroughly combined. Next, I placed a sieve over the bowl and sifted in about 70 grams of sponge cake flour to make the mixture smoother and prevent lumps. Next, I added 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continued mixing until I obtained a smooth, slightly thick mixture. Once finished, I set this aside. For the egg whites, I add about 2 grams of lemon juice, which helps stabilize them when whipped. I used an electric mixer on medium speed. When it started to foam, I added 25 grams of sugar. Continue beating, then add the remaining 25 grams of sugar. I beat the mixture until it reaches a soft, fluffy consistency, meaning that when I lift the whisk, the cream forms a slight peak that curves downwards. Next, I added the egg yolk mixture and gently mixed it in to maintain a fluffy texture. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the mixture was well combined, I poured it all into the cake mold. And place it on a steamer rack. Wrap the baking mold tightly with aluminum foil to prevent condensation from dripping down and affecting the cake's surface. Steam over medium heat for about 45 minutes. During steaming, the cake will gradually rise thanks to the whipped egg whites, creating a light and soft texture. Once the cakes are baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool. The finished product is a soft, fluffy, moist, and subtly vanilla-scented steamed sponge cake that achieves a very appealing texture without the need for an oven. So, we've completed some incredibly simple egg cooking tips that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.